Happy Halloween, Jack. Same to you. We went trick-or-treating today. And look, there's Missy, our Halloween cat. We went to Grandma and Pop-Pop's. And well, first we went on our block, and then we went to Grandma and Grandpa's. We went everywhere trick-or-treating. And look, we moved the coffee table tonight. All right, Jack. What are you yelling at? Are you yelling at Missy? Yeah? Are you gonna crawl to her? Go ahead. She's right here by me. Come get her. Come on. There goes her tail. You wanna play ball? Where's that ball? Oh, there's Missy. Careful, Missy. Missy, you know what you're doing?